What's up, everybody? It is Selly, and we are talking about the Garmin TD50. What is it? It is the upgrade if you have the GMI20. The little data display gives you your depth, your speed, your water temp. Well, now we're doing a lot more. So check this out, guys. If we could bring this over, it's literally acting almost like a mini MFD right here. You can see we're getting engine data on this. We can slide over here and we can do things like wind, and we can see what's going on with our wind instruments. But if you tie this into the Garmin network of things, and I go sonar right there, and I choose that, now I've got a sonar screen. Now I can also come over here and do charts. Now, obviously, it's not going to be as fast as, say, the 9000 series are, but it's a great data point, and this is also going to show you a lot more when it is networked in to your existing Garmin network. So it's a really cool, slick piece of hardware, a pretty easy upgrade. So if you're thinking about it, leave us a comment down below or reach out to us, sales@navtronics.com. Let's get you set up for 2026.